Hey, what's up? This is Chris on the longest way, trying as always to walk back from China to my home in Germany. Today is the 28th of May 2023. It's a Sunday. I think it's Passover or something. We're in Austria, very close to Linz, and there's so many cyclists here on the cycle path. Hello! 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 That was for the video. I usually don't say hello to everybody. I make fart sounds a lot. Well, they don't hear it. I'm not trying to be mean. It's just amusing to see all these butts on bicycles. And I was just recognized by some people down there by Ziggy, Isabel, Gerlinde, and Herbert. They were on their bicycles on their way from Passau, and they recognized me. Oh, there's two more cyclists. Hello! And they apparently had read about me in a paper, which I don't know. They told me I was in a paper somewhere down there. I don't know if I was ever in the paper. Maybe it was just a Facebook post or something. But they were super nice. More cyclists. Hello. Hello. They were happy. Nice. I like this one. Very pink. Hello. Oh man, I am very smelly. The guy, Herbert, he said he recognized me from my shirt, which I was apparently wearing this same shirt the day that I left their town, which was like 5 days ago. So I am smelly. Hello. Man, I am tired. I'm about to arrive in Linz, where I'm gonna hang out with my friend Mario, the guy who does my website. Hello! I could use a break. And I'm kind of hungry. Arriving in Linz, a little bit more industrial than I thought it would be. Big fat road, very loud. And then there's all of this. I wonder if I should take my daily selfie here. Pretty cool. Alright, this looks different. Left the heavy industry behind, and now we're entering Linz proper. Damn, it smells like food. I'm hungry and I'm thirsty, and I've run out of water. I mean, I have an extra bottle in the caboose, but maybe I can find some water on the way. Would be better than getting the bottle out. So before coming to this town, I researched a little bit, and it appears as if this here Many people think it's the school that Hitler went to. It isn't. If you check on Google Maps, there will be all these smart comments saying a person that was very good at art and architecture went here. No, this is not Hitler's school. This building was built in 1909, as you can see on the Wikipedia entry of the Bundesrealgymnasium. And Hitler went to a school of the same name or whatever in 1903, 1904. And it wasn't in this street. It was in a different building, in a different street. And so that's kind of a nothing burger. They got a little inscription there that says Wittgenstein went here in 1906. So that would mean he also didn't go to the school that was in this building, because it was built in 1909. As much as they might want Wittgenstein to be a student of this school here, nope. I want to try to find the building that was the school when both Hitler and Wittgenstein went there. They were both born in 1889, if I'm not mistaken, and they went to school here, well, not in this building, in another building, in 1904, 1903, 1904. I'll try to find that building another day. No, I just want to go to sleep. So yeah, I wonder if I should leave a review on Google Maps to just tell people that this is not fucking Hitler's school. Leave it alone. Alright, I don't know what this is, but it's nice. Huh. That's nice. Damn. Maybe I should have taken my daily selfie here. Why, that didn't. Damn.